Hi everybody, welcome back to Tam Predicts. And yes, I'm just sitting here casually and trying to give you messages. I don't really care what the setting is or what's happening. I just like to give honest and simple, messages and guidances that I get from my spirit guides, and otherwise that whatever I can channel. And today I am doing a pick a pile for October. So this is finance, this is love, and this is your career. So let's see what are the messages. You have to choose from a number. So if you're getting attracted to a certain number, please pick that number up, and you can listen to the messages. If it's also like you're getting confused between two numbers, then pick two numbers and see which one resonates more with you or which is sitting more in your situation. Also sometimes when I say pick a number, you don't really need to think hard. It what really clicks with you suddenly, and you want to pick that number up, and it's attracting you towards itself. So you can just listen to that reading, and let's start with the reading. So numbers are 8, 2, 9, or 7. So don't worry, these numbers are not about birth date, so you have to add them or whatever. It's just numbers that you are getting attracted to. I'm going to tell you again: 8 or 2, or you can do 9 or 9, or number 7. I think it's going to be reversed because I have not put the mirror effect. So let's start your reading number 8. If you've chosen number 8, this is for you. Let's see what are your messages for finance, career, love, or whatever, like I said. Or any other message that I can channel, and let's see what the spirit guides want to say to you. So share your art with the world, it says. It's almost somebody drawing. I also feel somebody who's been creating vision boards, have been creating a lot of artwork. The first thing that I get is you like creative work, you like creating things, and you like also sharing your work with others. Maybe that's how you get money. You have to make something and sell it to the world very creatively, and that's where you get your money from. I also feel that somebody who's getting ready to do the work again. I feel that you had left this work, or because of your job you could not create anything, that you were not getting a time. But I also feel for some of you this is second business, second income. Probably you do a job or you do a business or whatever, but this is something, if you create anything or you're creative, so this is where your another stream of money is going to come in. And I think in October you would be looking at two streams of money: either it's business and this, or either it's a job and this. So I feel money is going to flow from two different sources. And I also feel that you're almost getting ready to put things into order. You're getting things, collecting things, like an artboard is just a metaphorical way of saying it. But I think you're getting everything together to create something from which you can earn more money for yourself, and you like doing it. This is something that you enjoy. And imagine earning from something that you love doing is such a blessing. It's such a pleasure. So that's the first thing that I get. And I feel October 7th is a great day for you. If you want to start something new, do it on October 7th. And I feel I get it more for air signs and earth signs. So this is probably I'm talking to you guys. And but this is generally creating something, creating something for yourself, because you need that income. I think that probably you were not really stable in these months that have gone by, and you're really looking forward to adding to your income. That's what I get. And like I said, I feel October 7th is a brilliant day for you to start something new, a time for healing. So if any problems in your love life, I'm going to take it as a love life or any other problem otherwise, this is a time for you to bounce back. Those are the words that are coming to me. Those words are like almost my spirit guides are telling me to tell you that it's a time to bounce back. You don't have to worry. What has happened. You don't need to you need to keep your you need to push yourself. Yes, those are the words that I'm getting. You need to push yourself, and you don't need to sit back and worry about what's happened and what's gone by. This is something in October needs your attention. You need to get back to work. Okay, I don't know why, but I feel because of your love situation you really haven't been paying attention to your work. This is what I feel. In October you will heal from the situation. Whatever problem you had, whatever love problem you had a broken heart, or somebody cheated, or whatever, you left the person and it really has affected you. So remember, if you're not really emotionally well, it does affect our work and other areas of our life. And I think this is what's happening with you. And I really feel October is a time for healing, and you will heal from the situation. And that's what I get big time. Earth connection. Yes, I told you I'm getting a lot of this thing that you have to make new connections. I get the whole thing of making connections. Okay, this is almost probably you are away from people, not making connections. But if you want your business or job to do well, it is a time to make connections with the world. That's what I get. And I also get the channel message. It's like be worldly wise. That's the channel message that I get. It's also somebody who has to get their act together and have the world in their hands. You have the opportunity, but you have to make good use of the opportunity. That's what I get. Probably because of your love situation or something in your family or some situation, you've not really paid much attention to your work, and that's what I feel. The spirit guides are saying that get a hold on your world, or get a hold on yourself, or get a hold on things that are really important for you. So do that, please. That's the kind of message that I get in this one. Let's see what are the other cards for you guys. Happy family. I'm telling you, there's something in the relationship. It's like a strained relationship, guys. I don't know why, but I feel almost a broken bond, being away with from a family. Things are not together. Something is missing. There's a missing link in your whole love life or family life. Not connecting with people, not being in touch with people, almost not talking to friends. It's like being reclusive. I don't know why I get that, but yes, because this is come reversed, and it's all about stability and happy life, and happy future and happy beginnings and whatever with the family celebrations. I feel there is something amiss, and that's why probably you've not been paying attention to your work, and all you can think of is relationships, of mending relationships. That's what I get. Yes, you need balance. You've been out of balance. So October is a month to put things into balance. I get the number 22 a lot. I get the number 4 a lot. I got the 4 number there also. So maybe that's what I feel. Because if you've chosen 8, like I always say, 8 almost for a lot of people, 8 can either be a brilliant number, or it can really put people in a loop. When you don't really know the way out, and you keep moving in a loop. That's what I feel. And I feel October is a time when you need to balance things out. Okay, do not play with your emotions too much. Do not get heightened emotions. It's not that you can help it, but yes, think of things that relax you. Okay, think of things that really don't make you so emotional. I don't know why, but I feel you've been going back to it and thinking what's happened to you, and you're making yourself more emotional. It's like putting yourself, your brain, your heart under a lot of pressure. So I want you to be more balanced in October, and that's what the spirit guides are saying. Financial situation will improve, but give it 6 months. I want to say give it 5 months. Okay, if you thought that you applied somewhere and some news is coming for you, I think it will be delayed a bit. There is a bit of a delay I get in this. Some kind of a news. If it's for your business or your job, but there is something that will be delayed. It's not coming like really galloping, or it's not that it's almost the email is there that you've got this promotion or new job or whatever you applied for. But I think there's a delay in the situation. Remember that, guys. Let's see what is the other. Yes, because this has also come reverse. There is something good awaiting you. There is some nice things coming for you, but I think it is almost like this is not the time, probably. Or probably October is a time where you need to work hard, or probably that's what I got. You need to put your act together. That's why probably the girl holding the woman holding the globe is coming back to me again and again as a message. Then you need to put things together. That's when you can reap the rewards of the efforts that you really put in your job or business. And I got that because this has come reverse. There is lack of confidence. It is something that probably I will not be able to do it, but I think in October you need to manage that. The moment you manage that, you're more confident. Things will be okay. You don't have to worry about anything. Let's see what your romance card says. It says children, worrying about children. I don't know if you've been away with your children. It could be a situation where you two had to separate and somebody's taken the kids away, or kids have been away from you and missing one of the parents. I also get somebody wanting another child. It's like wanting a second baby in your house. That's what I get. You already have one baby. It's also want of a second baby. So this is about 2 babies, or probably you have 2 kids. It's also really. I really get that, when I'm talking and I say really, really, it actually means that the spirit guides are saying that the person really wants a second baby, and that's really, I think, weighing on your mind, and it's something to do with the second child. So, or probably really wanting a second child and not being able to conceive, and that's what's been really making you sad or weighing on your mind, and you have a heavy heart on that. So that was pile, if you chose a number 8, that was for you. Let's move on to the second one, which is pile number 2. So if you've chosen pile number 2, this is for you. So like I said, money, romance, job, finances. Let's see what are the messages or any other messages that I get while I'm talking to you. Detox time. October is a time where you need to heal, you need to give up negative thoughts, walk away from people who do not belong in your life, walk away from a situation that is not right for you. And it says release toxins from your body, mind, and diet. So probably having excessive stuff, or probably having too much chocolate, having too much fat, having too much I don't know what, and not taking care of your diet, not getting up at the right time, not sleeping at the right time. So something you're not managing well. You need to get back to your routine. You need to exercise. I feel you're somebody who did exercise or you did have a healthy lifestyle. You've suddenly given it up. So in October, the spirit guides want you to get everything back in order, go back to your routine, make a chart for you and see what is fine for you and follow that to the T, because this is time to detox, okay? Release toxins from your body. So that's what you've got to do, okay? Balance spirituality and practicality, balance. The first one that I read, pile, almost, it's the same, that the balance is totally out. It was, you need to get balance. The second one is also almost like this, that you have not really balanced yourself. You are actually doing too much of something in excess, too much of eating or too much of worrying about something else. You get too much of exercising, so don't strain your muscles. I don't know why when I talked I get a sore muscle. I don't want you to hurt your ankle. That's the other thing that I got. It's like hurting yourself by pushing yourself too much in the routine is what I get. I also feel hurting eyes. I don't know why I get hurting eyes. I get dry eyes. It's like constantly watching the screen. You're not giving yourself a break. I think, guys, this is a message where it says you need to give yourself a break, and it's a very big message, okay? That's what I feel. Not really balancing yourself. So much of a Pisces energy, okay? It's totally two fish swimming in the opposite direction. Maybe you want to do something, but your life, the way your routine is actually pushing you away from doing that. That's another message that I get. Let's see what are the cards saying. Yes, Archangel Michael is here. Take care of yourself. You're really emotionally attached to one person. I also get a lot of attraction towards someone. I get a Scorpio. You have a lot of attraction towards a Scorpio or a water sign. I get a lot of water sign in this reading. Like in the other sign, I got 2 different signs, but this one is more like a water sign. Okay. I also feel that in October you will find your flow. That's the words that are flowing to me. And since yesterday I've been doing all the readings and Archangel Michael has been coming, and I always feel blessed. Like I always say when Archangel Michael comes in my readings, and this time also in this pile at least, I have Archangel Michael, and it's almost he's saying that you will find your flow in October. You will find what you meant to do. Sometimes we get very disturbed that this is not working out for me, but I feel this is a very strong message that you will find your flow. I also feel a lot of attraction in October, especially if you are with a water sign or you are a water sign. So whoever your partner is, there's a lot of attraction, there's a lot of chemistry. It's rebuilding. I also get rebuilding a relationship. That's the other message that I get from this card. There's something to do with rebuilding, okay? It's also rebuilding something. It's rebuilding your business. It's rebuilding things, rebuilding relationships, bonds getting stronger. Those are the messages that I get. Take care of your stomach area is what I want to say, okay? Work with yellow. Yellow is a good color. You include yellow color in your diet, like a yellow capsicum or whatever you can, lemon and stuff like that. I don't know why I say this, but I get lemon and capsicum and things that are yellow in color. Include them in your diet. That's the message that I get. 9 number is important for you. I also get 11 number is very important for this pile. It's a good number for you guys. It's almost in October, you will feel you carrying the weight of the world with you. I don't know why I get that. It's almost not being able to manage something. I don't know why, but I get something is something almost falling off from your hands, not buttery fingers, but not being able to manage something. You were not prepared for it. The other message that I get, channel, is you were not prepared for a situation. In October you will face a situation where you will not know what to do in the situation, and you'll struggle to keep things together. That's the other kind of message that I get. I also get that a lot of you lot of you, I'm going to say one of you, two of you, will have a baby. You will conceive in October. I get more of October, and I get around 20th, I get 18th. 18th, 20th, you might get a good news that you have conceived, or somebody around you who was not conceiving will actually give you the good news. That's what I get. Let's see what your love life is saying. It's saying finances and career. Like I said, it did come opposite. So yes, there is some kind of a disbalance. Okay, not really. You were so you're so busy in your own routine. You know, you're doing something so excessively. Probably you're trying to build something up, or probably the job or your business needs some kind of finances to be pumped in, or your hard work. That's why probably you've not been able to manage anything else, and it is just that, you know, you are so bothered about finances and career, you're not thinking about your love life. But in October, I want you to think about your love life. Maybe that's why I got Archangel Michael, and I got all those things like attraction and chemistry. Maybe you need to build on it, maybe you need to work on it, because I feel that this October will be a lot of love, will be a lot of attraction. That's what I get. So just don't worry about your finances. Don't do things. Don't do one thing only too much. You need to probably, that's a message from the spirit guides, that you need to distribute your efforts and your energy between things. It's not just job or business. It's also love. It's also your family. It's also kids. So just take care of everybody and take care of yourself. Maybe that's why that was the first card. That please detoxify yourself. Remove the toxins from your body and your mind. Happy house. Some of you will be buying a house. That's what I get. I get you also given one installment for the house. I feel you almost given an installment for the house. You're going to buy a house with a nice garden, or you love flowers. You love white flowers is what I get. And also get a house. You're going to visit a house which holds a lot of childhood memories. That's what I get. Looking back. Also missing your mother. A lot of you are really connected with your mother. You're really missing your mother. She's far away from you. Or it's like you just looked at an album, or you looked at pictures. I don't know why I get that, somebody flipping through old pictures, and you're like, you know, you're missing your mother and all the lovely things that you really did in your house, or whatever she cooked for you. I get a lot of that, you know, happy family. I feel with this one, I feel a lot of memories coming back, you know, like flooding back. That's why probably I'm getting flow and flood, and it's a lot of Cancer energy. It's a lot of Scorpio. It's a lot of Pisces energy that I'm getting. It's so much of a water sign, you know, that I'm getting from here. So either you're a water sign, or people very close to you are a water sign, and that's what you're dealing with. So somebody who's going back, to the childhood memories, missing your mom, or missing a person you were really attached to in your family. So that's what I get from this card. I also get you will buy a new house, or probably you've been thinking about a new house. You've given an installment for your new house. That's another message that I got. Something, which ones have I done? It says money restrictions. Yes, there have been money restrictions. It's resting the waters. It's all about water. This is so much water signs. Okay, things will get moving for you. Jan, Feb, March, April. That's a message I get. Till April, it might be a problem with money, okay, because this is an October reading, but I'm getting messages beyond that. So after around April, or next year, March, April, things will be much better for you, okay. Just hold on. That's the message that I get. Just hold on to the situation, okay. Don't worry about it too much. Finances will be coming in. Remember that somebody's going to help you with finances also. If you really feel that you don't have the money, I feel a family member will offer you something, or a friend is going to offer you some help. Voice of truth, stand strong. There is something you need to say. The truth needs to come out. That's the other message that I get. Stay strong, focus on your purpose, release the fear of persecution, and speak your truth. So don't worry, even if you speak your truth, even because of that something happens, you have to speak the truth. That's what I get. I get the message that you've got to be honest, guys. You cannot just it's not about that you have to just play with words just to make the other person feel nice or something. You have to be honest with yourself. You have to be honest with the other person. I feel the person is also waiting for you to say the right thing. That's another message that I get. The person wants you to be honest and wants you to say the right thing and tell the other person what you really feel, okay? Or there is a voice of truth. In office, you have to raise a voice, okay? Raise your voice. Doesn't mean you have to raise your voice volume-wise. You need to tell the truth, okay? You have to raise your voice against something not happening. I don't know why I get it, but I get the word unjust or injustice, or there is a somebody's being unjust, or there's injustice happening, okay? So that's what I'm getting. So you have to raise your voice if you're not been doing that. You have to stand for a cause. You have to show that you have to take a stand, or that really means a lot to you. So that was for if you've chosen number 2. I'm going to move on to number 9. Here's the number. Okay, let's see what are the messages for you. I'm missing the light here. I think the light is going and coming too much. Like I said, I really don't care. I just want to give you the messages. That's what I'm here for. Law of attraction and reversed. Not working with manifestations, not believing that you can do magic, not believing that luck is on your side, not believing anything. I don't know why this group is. I just started with that. Not. I want you to change it into, I can. That's what you have to do. You have to think about the present. You can only manifest when you think about the present. You cannot say, I will, I can, I shall. It is, I am. I am doing this. I will do this. This is what I am doing. And that's when the universe listens to you. That is what I always say. Be bold and make the first move. Again, a reversed card. Guys, what's up with this group? Not having no confidence. What's happened? You've got to be bold. You got to push yourself. You got to move out of the comfort zone. How will it happen? How will things happen in your life? Not believing in yourself, that's the thing you've been doing. And if you don't believe in yourself, how will the universe believe in you? That you have everything that you need to do magic. That's what I always say. You're a magician. You have all the ingredients. It's just that we don't use it. We don't listen to ourselves. We keep thinking what the world will say, or what will happen, or what's going to happen. Sorry, my throat has been bad, so that's a problem. Getting to know each other in the love situation, okay? Romancing someone, that's what I get. It's a love situation. You're romancing someone. You were friends before. You've known each other. Those are the messages that I get. You've known each other from somewhere. And you really want to know the person. That's another thing I get. So at least you're confident when it comes to romance, okay? That's what I feel. If you've been seeing someone, your bond is going to deepen with the person. Remember that. It's going to be good with the person. So whatever relationship you are in, if you want to move it forward, or you want to elevate or take it to the next level, I think now it's the time. October is the time to do it. But I'm really feeling, why is this group so negative? Why did it start from not having any confidence? So that's just, got my energies down. Guys, you really need to work on yourself. This group really needs to work on your confidence. I don't know why. Somebody's told you that, you can't do this well, or you cannot manage this situation. I don't know why you're feeling any less than anybody is. That's what I feel. There has been a deceit, is it? Or you feel there has been a deceit and you've already given up. This is somebody's already given up in a situation. So I'm not really happy with pile, whatever the messages are. And it shows because I'm an empath also, and I feel for you guys. Pile number 9, what's up with you guys? You have all the power to do whatever you can. Why do you think somebody is going to deceive you? I think before you started something, you already felt that the person or the situation or the job or your boss or your co-workers or your colleagues are going to deceive you. That's the kind of thing I get, It's somebody who's very confused. I get a very confused state of mind. You people are very confused in a job or in a relationship. Is it? Or that's why you want to know the person more, even in the romantic relationship. You think there's more to it, okay? The other word that I get is that you do too much detective work. If a situation is very simple or somebody is very simple, it's like, how can this be so simple? It's somebody who does so much detective work, trying to get into the root cause of everything and why this is happening. I feel you ask a lot of questions. This group asks a lot of questions. And I got the word contract. So finances, I feel justice is going to happen, okay? This is Libra card. This is very much Libra card. So I think something is going to even out. Something is going to be even. I also get finances will improve. I get after 14th October, after 9th October, and I get to after 27th October. 27 is also 9. So something to do with number 9. Your finances are going to be much better, guys. But don't be bound by a contract. It's something, you yourself bind. You bound yourself to something, to a contract. You're not very happy. That's another thing I get. You've got into a relationship. Those are the messages I get when I look away. So you've got yourself into a relationship, and you're like, oh my God, I've got stuck. And you're the one who started it. You're the one who started something. You're the one who was very keen about the job. But you yourself are now thinking did I do the right thing? I think you think a lot, and I think you waste time on thinking situations that don't need thinking. That's what I get. So don't keep worrying about I hope nobody's going to bind me. I hope this is not the right thing that I did. Probably I've gotten into a relationship, but is that relationship right for me? I get all those things that you are actually thinking about. Should I go ahead? Should I not go ahead? So guys, you don't need to think so much. Do whatever comes naturally to you, and I think give up on thinking so much and weighing possibilities at every stage, every level. It's not going to help you, because you weighing everything too much. It's okay that you do consider pros and cons and possibilities, and you do weigh things on a scale, what's right, what's wrong. But here is a group that actually spends so much time weighing things that things slip out of their hands. That's another message that I get, guys. So just be careful. Don't do that. Chill a bit. That's what I want to say. Things will work out in October, but you need to chill a bit and not do so much detective work that you do. King of Wands, you'll get a position, you'll get a good designation, get a good position in October, okay? Please don't think about that situation also too much, okay? Don't keep thinking, why did I get it? I do not deserve it. That's another thing that I'm getting. I do not deserve it. I don't deserve all this. And did I really work hard for it? You start questioning yourself, I feel. This group questions, did I deserve that much money? Did I deserve that job? Did I deserve something? So yes, you are deserving, guys. Remember that, okay? Love coming your way, but don't make it a contract, okay? Love the person as much as the person loves you. There's no contract between two people. This should be unconditional love, and stop questioning the other person too much. That I'm so glad that you're in my life. I really didn't deserve this kind of a love, but now that you're in my life, I feel so lucky. I feel so good, and don't do all that. That's what I feel. Yes, cosmic gateway. So it says your thoughts are magnetic and powerful. Miraculous changes are occurring. So guys, it almost started with it almost started with you not thinking much about yourself. So this is what you got to change in October. That's when the doorways are going to open for you. That's where the things are going to be better for you. So guys, this is on you. Okay, this is good. This is your month. Make it magical. Things are happening for you. Finances are going to be better. Your relationships are going to be better. But stop questioning them. Okay. um, that's what I said, because your thoughts are magnetic and powerful. If you start questioning yourself that if you're deserving or not, that's what you're going to get back from the universe. That's what the universe is going to think about you. That's what other people are going to think about you. If you don't believe in yourself, how will others believe in you? That's what I get, guys. October is a month for you. Just rock it. That's what I want to say. That's all with this group, because that's really a crazy reading that I did for you guys. So if you've chosen number 7, let's see what are the messages for you. Classes, joining something new, wanting to learn from life, had a life changing experience. That's what I feel. You love taking classes, you love giving classes, you love talking, you love speaking, you also love listening. You've joined something. You want to start something. You want to start online classes. I think you've just done a course. You just gotten a degree in something. That's what I feel. And you love doing all this. You love dealing with people. I think you love making connections. This is what I get when I hold this card. This is making connections from everywhere. Getting connected to people. That's what makes you happy. The energy is gaining momentum, and this is reversed. You're not taking care of the energy or the movement that is happening in your life. You're not getting a gist of it. You're not getting any signs that it's actually moving. Guys, it's moving. October is a month of momentum for you. So don't turn it around like this, turn it around like this. Okay, upright position. There is a lot that's going to happen in October. Be ready for it. I get the fact that it's not that things are not going to happen for you. It's not you not ready for it. You become lazy. You're becoming lazy. October is not going to let you sit. You're going to get heels on. You're going to get wheels on your heels. That's the kind of energy that I'm picking up. I'm picking up very energetic people, very too much nervous energy around, making friends, talking fast like I do, and love making connections. That's what I want to say. So uh, I also feel that because you put so much energy in whatever you do, when the time is right, you get lazy, when the time is right for you to use the energy, that's the time you just like, oh God, I'm so tired now, I need to rest. So you cannot do that. This is October is the time when you have to move on. Those are the words that I get, and the wheel will be turning very fast for you. There are a lot of changes that will suddenly change your life. That's the message that I got. I told you, possibilities everywhere are coming for you. Sorry guys, possibilities are coming from everywhere. I told you, connections, possibilities, meeting new people, new projects, a lot of things happening for you. Fantastic. What else do you want? uh, you're going to stay connected to the divine power, to people, to gods or whatever you worship. And I feel you're going to go to a temple, a church, whatever, wherever you go to worship. Um, a very strong connection with God. I also feel that you know that your loved ones are around you, and you feel that, you feel the warmth. For people who've passed away in your family, anybody, I feel somebody is around you. That spirit is around you. I get a very feminine spirit. Okay, I feel the person is protecting you guys. So this could be one of your whatever, like this is a general reading, but this is the card that I got. Somebody's protecting you. Somebody who's just passed away, probably 2 months back. I don't know why I get this, but this is a very woman energy around you. This is sorry, I had to react because my kids didn't know I was recording. Now, like, hold on, I'm recording. Okay, reconciliation. So this is beautiful. So I think you captured my candid expression. Kids never know when I'm recording. I'm recording in their room. So this is reconciliation. Someone from your past is returning to your life. Beautiful. Somebody's coming back to you with the same fervor, with the same attraction, with the same chemistry, with the same love. Something is coming towards you. That's what I feel. A lot of woman energy I get. Very strong women listening to this. Or if you're a man, there's a very strong woman in your life. You really love the person, and that person really holds you together as a family. That's what I get. And there is magic manifestation. Okay, lot of magic happening. A lot of magic in the sense your dreams and visions are going to become reality. That's what it says. And stay focused. How focused is this woman? Okay, that's what I get. This is totally somebody who's focusing on the future, also focusing on things. A person who set targets and knows what to achieve. I think you are somebody who says, in the month of October, I'm going to achieve this, and you've written it down, and you just keep checking it. It's like a checklist, and you keep checking it. That this is so focused, and you're going to have whatever you ask for. That's what I feel. Whatever you're going to wish for in October, that's going to come true. So just wish for the right thing, guys. Remember that. September was not really a good month for you. A lot of frustrations, I feel. A lot of frustrations, money not coming in. But I think money is going to be better. Money is going to be better in November, but the cycle will improve in October. And I get after 17th October, the money cycle is going to improve. That's what I feel. I feel your frustrations will also go in October. Whatever frustrations that you had in September will go. Also, if you were undecided about a situation, that's not going to happen anymore in October. You will be very clear. You'll be very clear about things. That's what I get. It's actually written. You'll see more clear. You'll see things more clearly, and that's what I said. So you're going to see things. You're going to see a situation very clearly. You're also going to see through a person. I don't know why I want to put this. It's like the person is going to show his or her true colors. I don't know why I said that, but yes, I think it belongs in the reading, so I had to say it. I also feel that if in September that you felt that the situation is out of control and you cannot do anything about it, October is a month where everything will be fine for you. That's what I get. Let me see more messages that I get from here. There were some money losses, but I feel you're going to recover your money. That's another channel message that I get. And it says if you look behind in the past and you thought that you've lost everything and there is nothing to rescue, I think if you look back, you might just rescue something from the situation, or you might, like, there's a reconciliation. Okay, because there was a reconciliation card. Maybe that something was left in the past, maybe you thought has gone, but I think you can still salvage the situation. You can bring the person who's gone, or you left behind, or didn't come, wasn't in your present, but you still miss the person in a relationship. But I think the person is going to come back. I get that very strongly. If you've chosen pile number 7, some loved one is going to be back in your life, and I think it's going to be really good for you. There's going to be a reconciliation. I really think because you have been missing the person, you've been looking back quite a lot, and I think this is a beautiful reading. And for seven numbers, I think there is miracle, and things are going to become a reality. So whatever you're going to think positive. So that's what's going to get manifested in your life. Stay focused, and I think you'll really be focused. You'll be very clear about things that belong in your life, things what you need to do in October, and everything is going to come true. So that was your reading, and thank you so much for listening to me. And I'll be back with another reading soon. This is for October. Pick a pile, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please write down in the comment section. Always read all the comments, and do like the video, and also click on the bell notification sign. So whenever I am uploading a video, you can actually see it, and you can get the guidance that you need at that time. And I'm signing off, and I'll be back soon. Thank you so much.